Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beats. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I want to introduce a new segment here on my channel, and I'm gonna call it What Would Brains Do? I actually commented on my Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me on there. I'm super active. I post almost every single day. And I'm very interactive with the people that follow me on there because it's very easy for me to be interactive on there more than on YouTube. So follow me there, shameless plug. But I ask people to send me in some scenarios, and you'll be kept anonymous, and I will give you guys my advice on what I would do. So this segment is called What Would Brains Do? So it says, I'm a mom with one daughter, and I literally have no friends. I want friends that are mom like me, but I don't know where to start. What would brains do? So I'm kind of in the same boat. I don't have any mom friends. I don't have a lot of friends that are moms, especially in the area that I live now. I would love to have some, but it's a pandemic and I can't get to explore and interact and socialize with people. But I would say when the pandemic is over, definitely go to places where mom frequent, like grocery stores, parks. If your kids are into any extracurricular activities like sports, make sure you go to the games, interact with the moms that are there. If your kids have like PTA meeting, parents meeting and stuff, make sure you show up and you go to those. You'll interact with other moms like you. I feel like go to common areas where mom frequents and try to be friendly, and you'll definitely get some mom friends. Me and you in the same boat. I would love some too also, but that's neither here nor there. I have been with my boyfriend for 3 years and he refused to give me oral, but I don't have a problem giving him. I thought over time I could soften him or convince him to start, but he isn't budging, and I feel like I'm missing out on a part of sex that I truly enjoy. Our sex life is dry. What would brains do? So, like I said on my husband channel before, if you're with somebody that don't want to please you sexually, it's a big waste of time. And it's a big waste of time in this case, especially if it's been 3 years like you said and you have no problem giving, but he has a problem giving you, then I would actually stop giving him anymore. Don't let him benefit and then you're not benefit in return. I think a lot of women feel like when it comes on to sex, a man is supposed to get pleased. They're the one that's supposed to enjoy, and or pleasure and satisfaction come secondary. But news for you, baby, our pleasure and satisfaction come first. And that's that. That is that. So I would say to stop giving him anymore and have a serious conversation with him and say, okay, I don't have a problem giving that to you, but you have a problem giving it to me. So I feel like I need to just take it out of the equation, and you don't have any and I don't have any, and we will call it even. And if he says no, and if he says he will compromise, good for you. But sex is a very important part of a relationship, and if you're not equally yoked and you feel like you're missing out on something, it will probably cause you to step outside of your relationship. So you really need to have a serious conversation with him where that is concerned, and just lay everything out in the cards and keep it real, keep it honest, and keep it 100. And I'd say go from there. See where it leads you. The next one is, my boyfriend and I have been together for 2 years, and however the holidays are coming up and I don't get along with his family. They're very judgmental and Christian people. I don't want to make my boyfriend choose between me and his family on the holidays, but I'm not planning on attending any of his family function this holiday season, because I'm simply not participating in anything that is going to make me uncomfortable this year and beyond. But I don't know how to approach the situation. What would brains do? This is a very sticky situation to be in. So I would honestly say, be honest and tell him that you're not feeling his family like that. You don't want to go to these family function and be uncomfortable, and you definitely do not want to have him choose between you and him on the holidays. So split it up. Come to some solution as a couple, whether that be he goes to his family function by himself this year and you goes to your family function by yourself, and you call it even. Or he can go to his family side for an hour or two, and then he comes to your family side for the next hour or two, and you split it up like that. But you definitely need to be open and honest as to why you don't want to participate with family functions anymore, because that can be a big reason why relationships don't work. Because when you get married, when you're in a relationship, you actually get into a relationship not only with the person you're with, but also with their family members and their family situationships and their family dynamic. So you need to be very careful with the way you do it, but also be honest, be open, and don't have him thinking it's something else as to why you don't want to go to the family function. Just be honest and say, I don't want to be in an uncomfortable situation, and I don't want to be put into that place. I'm not in a space at this very moment where I can handle that, or would want to deal with that, and call it a day. That's just me personally and what I would do, and then you can go from there. It's a very touchy subject, and everybody is different. So that is what I would do in those situations. But comment in the comment section below and tell me, guys, what would you do in these situations? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.